Hello and welcome to VoIP Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to connect the WhatsApp notifications with the VoIP platform. So for that, you will need to install a plugin called as VoIP WhatsApp. Now what this plugin does is that it will connect the notification system of BuddyPress with the WhatsApp, which means that you need the BuddyPress's notification system activated. This also helps as keeping a backup of what all notifications were sent to the users. Now after activating the plugin, you will need to go to the VoIP settings to configure it. And in settings, you'll see a VoIP WhatsApp note tab, and here you will need to fill out the fields. So the field which is connected to user's mobile phone is the phone field. And currently it's not showing any phone field because I do not have any fields that are labeled as phone. So I'll go to users, profile fields, and I will create a new profile field called as phone number. Now you can have multiple phone numbers, and all the profile fields that are labeled as phone, which means this phone number, they will appear in users. You can say personal phone number, save, and we can add another one just to show business phone number. And so we have two phone number fields, one is personal and the other one is business. So and when we go to the VoIP settings in the WhatsApp settings, we see that we now have the option to select a phone number field. So for this tutorial, we're going to select the personal phone number. So I'll just go ahead and fill my phone number here. So in the profiles, in the profile fields, we have these two fields, and I'm going to fill in my number. Right, so it has been saved. Now I go back to the settings, and now we need to fill in the WhatsApp settings. For that, we go to the get keys section, and it will redirect us to the Facebook, which is developers.facebook.com, and you need to be logged into Facebook to be able to generate these keys. So we go to my apps, and if you have any existing app, I recommend that you edit that app and enable the WhatsApp settings. Otherwise, you can create a new app. So for this, I'm going to create a new app. And here, make sure you select business here, because all the other apps won't show the option to connect a WhatsApp account. So here, if we select business, so once the app creation is done, you will be able to see the WhatsApp. After which you will land on a page like this. So the WhatsApp is now enabled. Now here I already have production numbers and a test number, but initially you won't get these numbers. And since this is a business app, you will need to create system users first. So for that, you will need to go to business settings. And here you'll see system users, and you'll need to create a new token for the system user and for a particular app. So we created this VoIP Themes WA app, and here we need to enable the WhatsApp business management and WhatsApp business messaging. So only these two scopes are required to generate the token. And here we get the token which we can copy and paste it in the WhatsApp permanent token area. So once you have done that, so after generating the permanent token, we need to go back to the apps and edit our app. And here we go to getting started, and here you will get a test number from which the WhatsApp notification will be sent, and the API and the key. So this setting here, this particular number here, is what we call as the WhatsApp business messaging ID that we need to fill here. And then at last we have the WhatsApp template name for which we have added this help link. So make sure you're logged in with the business account with the same Facebook developer account, and here you can pick up any template. So for example, this is the hello world template. Okay, so maybe we can create a new template. So, and this could be a transactional template, and we can write in the name existent, and we can submit this. And if the required fields are complete, so now the time to test. So here we are going to test using the messaging screen, because it will in turn send a notification which will then convert into a WhatsApp notification as well. And on the right you can see I have my WhatsApp desktop opened, and we'll see how it works. But before we move on to that, I want to quickly add a correction that in the profile edit, in the mobile number, we also need to enter the country code. So here I am adding, and let's see. So here, as you can see, as I sent the message, I got the notification, which is the hello world template. So very important thing I like to add is that I had to change this WhatsApp template name to hello world. So previously I created my own template which undergoes a review, and it was rejected because it didn't have a clear-cut message. So whenever you are creating your custom template, make sure it adheres to the WhatsApp guidelines. So I had to use the default hello world WhatsApp template name, which is the safe way, but then it sends the message as hello world and welcome, congratulations. So here I can simply write down a message to confirm that I'm going to be using this WhatsApp messaging, and now any subsequent send a new message again. Right. So here whenever I'm sending the message, you can see we get the new message in the WhatsApp. So the notifications are now working, and let's test this in the courses. And now we're going to add ourselves to a course and see if we get the notification. And make sure that you have enabled the corresponding touch point in LMS settings. So here I'm going to add the notification when the user is added to the course notification and WhatsApp notification. So notification is required if you are going to send the WhatsApp notification, which means that only when the notification is enabled you can send a WhatsApp notification. you must limit the WhatsApp notifications, because the free tier of Facebook only allows up to 1000 notifications per day. User added a course, and let's enable this user started a course as well. So we're going to start the course as well. And now I'm going to save this, and let's see if we get new notifications on our WhatsApp. I'm going to minimize this and let's see. And here I'm going to remove the student. And now when I'm going to add this user, we should get a notification that the user was added. So here you can see that we get the notification. Let's just now start the course. So we go to enrolled courses. And now we're going to start this course. And here you can see you started this course. We get this notification. Right, so if there are multiple notifications that are being sent to the WhatsApp, then the only one notification will be picked up. So since messages also in turn send notifications, I recommend that you only enable the notification, WhatsApp notification, on the triggers, or the user can simply go ahead and disable the notification on the message. So that's it from Vibe Tutorials. Thanks for watching.